Have you ever played Pac-Man? For those of you who haven't, let me go over the rules. The aim's very simple. Pac-Man moves around the maze, eating little Pac dots, all the while trying to avoid 4 ghosts who are chasing him. Once Pac-Man eats all the Pac dots, the player advances to the next level. It's easy, right? Now, listen to this. My name is Mónica, I'm a biochemist, and in my thesis, I'm using Pac-Man to purify water. Can you imagine how? Well, let me show you. We all know that 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water. Unfortunately, less than 1% of that water is drinkable, and that amount is decreasing because of pollution. So, it's not enough to stop polluting. We also need to develop better ways to detect and eliminate these contaminants. That's why, in my research, I've developed a reusable magnetic biosensor designed to detect pesticides, which are very common contaminants. And how does this biosensor work? It has 2 parts, a magnetic nanoparticle and enzymes attached to it. Enzymes are molecules that trigger chemical reactions when they find a complementary molecule. In my case, I use enzymes that produce a colored signal whenever they meet a pesticide. So, if I add the biosensors to a water sample and see color, that means that pesticides are present. Now, let's connect that to Pac-Man. Imagine that the water sample is the maze, the enzymes are little Pac-Men, and the pesticide molecules are Pac dots. In this variant of the game, when Pac-Man, the enzyme, meets a Pac dot, the pesticide, it produces color. And in order to continue playing after Pac-Man eats all the Pac dots, we need to recover it from the maze. And here's where my nanoparticles come in. Because the enzymes are attached to these magnetic particles, we can recover them with a magnet after pesticide detection and use them again in another sample. Otherwise, since enzymes are soluble, we would lose them all and wouldn't be able to advance to the next level. In scientific terms, my biosensors have 2 huge advantages. Their ability to detect even the tiniest amounts of pesticides, and the possibility to recover and reuse the enzymes, saving time, money, and resources. In terms of gaming, who could have imagined that playing Pac-Man would be so useful in improving water quality? Thank you.